Hi guys, welcome back. I'm gonna do a parade unboxing. So this is a spring ensemble theme. So they sent me 2 pieces. Yay. I did choose these 2. So the first one is a bodysuit, and it looks like this. Like, oh, so excited about. Okay, here you go. Okay. This is in the size medium, and they have a bunch of different styles. I just chose this one. I'm gonna put the name here. I forgot. So it's very colorful, it looks more like for festival parties, themed, Coachella, like that type of bodysuit. It's very kind of see-through, but you can still use it to go out. As you can see my finger right here, but it's not too noticeable. And it has a, ¿cómo se llama esto? I forgot the name. So it has this lace right here, and it's in like a rainbow color theme. Pretty, and it has sleeves. So this sleeve right here is kind of weird. It's not connected all the way, so you can show your shoulder right here like this, and it's very soft and stretchy. You can see it's bouncy. It feels nice. It feels pretty nice for the spring and hot weather. It's not super thick. It's flowy a little right here at the arms, you see, but it's very fitted, very tight. It compresses your arm. It's not gonna be too loose either, but fitted. It looks nice. Okay, it's pretty. It's not too tight. I don't know, let me try it on. But okay, so this is the back. It's kind of like a cut out peekaboo style bodysuit. You can see your back, and it goes all the way up to your crotch, your kitty, yes, in your body. It's a full bodysuit. So obviously you have to wear this with a pair of pants or shorts or a skirt or whatever, so you don't go out like this. Imagine it looks like a bikini, but no, you're gonna cover this up when you wear it. So it's basically like a top. It looks kind of like the corset there. No, I forgot, but with a long sleeve. I don't know, it looks pretty. Okay, so the next thing I got is the same print, but it's a bra type. Okay, wait, no, I showed the wrong type. Okay, here. It's the same color, except this waistband is all black, and then it has like a little see-through cutout right here. Wait, it's pretty. And the back is the same, and it's very comfortable and soft and stretchable, same as the other material. It has a hook right here, like 2, 3, and it's pretty thick right here in the band, but it's comfortable. Their bras are very soft and fitted. It doesn't feel super tight or compressed like other bras. And this one doesn't have a padding, but that's why it's so comfortable, and it doesn't have a wire either. And right here it's a little see-through, but it's fine. It's not that bad because it kind of covers the nipple area because it's colorful and it has prints. It's not clear or too white, you know what I mean? But yeah, and that's pretty much all they sent me. I do have a discount code. I'll put it here. You can save 20% off. So if you're interested in buying, you can buy them at Target or Parade's website. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Oh no, I forgot. I'm gonna do a mini try on, and I'm gonna put the videos of me trying it on here so y'all can see how it looks. And yeah, bye.